Greetings, viewers. Thanks for joining me out in the shop today with the Green 3rd Gen. Before I begin this episode, let me say thank you so much to my sponsor, Oxido, global supplier of automotive LED lighting. Oxido LED lighting has a fantastic light for the 3rd Gen 4runner. It's the 9003 H4 HB2 from Oxido. And why I like it so much compared to some other LED lights is this. My old ones got mud caked up in the fins and mud in the fan and would cause my lights to overheat and fail. That's not good when you need them. You can see also without the rubber boot on, dirt would get down in there. Well, you can't really see it. But the dirt would get in the light, and even over here I got some muddy water that got past that old light. Well, with the Oxido light and its design, not only can you put your rubber boot back on so you're not getting mud intrusion, this light has all the cooling system inside the housing. So there's not going to be any mud or water getting into it. You're not going to have to worry about your lights overheating, and when the lights overheat, they stop. So yeah, you don't want that. So super happy that Oxido approached me. I'm proud to be a sponsor in this episode for their lighting for a multitude of reasons. It is a better light for the 3rd Gen 4runner. So thank you again, Oxido LED lighting, for sponsoring today's episode. Now, I also have achieved over 700 subscribers to my show, and I want to say thank you to all of you who subscribe. I hope you're watching. Liking and subscribing to my show totally helps me out. Subscribing to my show is free. It won't hurt you, and it will help me. So if you watch my show, you like my show, you want to see some more 3rd Gen 4runner content, some 2nd Gen 4runner content, and of course the Tundra that's over here in the corner. I will have more tips and LED lighting information too as my sponsorship continues. I must confess I'm super excited about it. Now, on the 2nd Gen, I said the 3.0 was going to get fixed, and then I said no because it was blown, and then I said I got this truck here with the good running 3.0 in it, and that is true. This motor runs really well. I think I'm going to move it over there, and try and keep a 3.0 going. I got a 3.4 5-speed truck. I think I want to try a 3.0 5-speed truck. Never had a 3.0. So this good running 3.0, I know people are mocking me just for saying that, is going to go in where this poor running 3.0 lived. This truck has over 300,000 miles on it. This one doesn't even have 150 on it. So if that motor lived that long, there's no indication whatsoever that this motor's going to live that long. But screw it, it's my show, and that's what I want to do. So I'm going to continue taking pieces off of this. That headlight, I definitely need. I got one full of water over there. Lots of pieces, interior carpet, mirrors. I think that windshield's good. The tailgate and all the workings out of the tailgate, because the window worked perfect on that one up and down and doesn't work on this one, and I don't know why yet. But I'm going to dive into back window repair as I switch the pieces over. I will be swapping all the good interior from this one over to this one, so there'll be some content you'll want to see. When I have this motor out, I'm going to do the timing set, probably EGR delete, cold air intake, headers. The headers mainly to help get the heat away. I've read several different things to do to try to help these motors live longer. I've really been investigating the 3.0. I hope to share all my newfound 3.0 knowledge with you, my viewers. I found out that this bull bar thing on the front here was actually a Toyota option, and it has a Toyota part number. Interesting. I took the one off that one, and my son-in-law is putting it on his 94 pickup. So I may just clean this one up and put it on there. I know I'm trying to tight quarters right here, but yeah, I didn't really like that until I found out it was a Toyota piece. And while I'm not sure what I think about it, if I like it that well, but I may end up putting it on the beige one. So the interior going to get a big freshen up. The engine, of course, is going to get freshened up and swapped. This truck, being the automatic, has the 488 gears in it. That one, being the stick, had 410s, so I can get 488 gears, which will help me with running a larger tire. So there's going to be possibly some gear swapping going on. In the front, it's as easy as pulling the diff and swapping it. In the rear, it's as easy as pulling the third member and swapping it. So what all's going to happen, I couldn't tell you for sure, but I bet you it's going to be a lot. I'm super excited. So yeah, second gen is going to get moving along. Please like, subscribe, check links. I promise during the second gen project that I will wear my t-shirts out here and put them on the show. So please, again, like, subscribe, check links, all that kind of good stuff. Tune in for more on the second gen project, just random Toyota crap that goes on out here in my shop. So loving the third gen, not sure what's next for it, but I bet you it's something. So stay tuned. Appreciate you a whole bunch. Have a great day.